Turn your podcast audio into attention-grabbing video snippets. Video is vital for social media with Buzzsprout. You can transform your podcast audio into shareable videos to boost engagement. This tutorial will show you how to create captivating video intros quickly. First, log into your Buzzsprout account and find the episode you want to promote. This could be the newest one or a particularly impactful episode. Look for the Create Video button, often found within the episode settings. Clicking this launches the video creation tool. Now, you have choices. Start by uploading your podcast intro audio or selecting it from your Buzzsprout library. Make sure your intro is concise and clearly introduces your podcast. Your intro audio will be at the beginning of the timeline. Add elements like an image or video clip. Include text such as your podcast title, episode title, and social media handles. Adjust the duration to match your video. Check out the customization options. Customize fonts, colors, and use a video clip library. Position your logo or images and move them on the screen. Choose the suitable dimensions for where you will share this video. Export your video when you're finished. Buzzsprout will process, and it's available for download. Download your video and share it on social media. Using video intros is a great way to grab your audience's attention. Making them on Buzzsprout is easy and quick.